Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Whatsoever the Lord says He will do, that is what He will do. Don't panic. I'm Edith, the creative director of Queen's Palace Studio. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video, share the channel to your loved ones. And for this amazing look, we are going to use a technique called the underpainting. Without further ado, let's dive straight into it. And for this look, I'm using all Nigeria-based products. I'm using the Dr. Rashel micellar water with Msmetics cotton pad to clean the skin around, ensure there is no impurities or dirt on the face. Next up, I'm using a setting spray from Florence Ivy, which is their hydrating mist setting spray. And after spraying generously on the skin, please ensure you spray generously on the skin. You are allowed to dry properly on the skin for it to sit on the skin. And for the moisturizer, I'm using Moist Essence from Blossom Makeup, and this moisturizer helps in reducing fair lines and wrinkles because it intensively hydrates and nourishes the skin, leaving it smooth and glowing while it revitalizes the skin tone. And yes, of course, this helps the makeup application and the longevity of the makeup. And for the application, I'm using a white soft staple brush to apply the moisturizer in hydrating the face all over the face to give a seamless blending effect on the face. While for our primer, I'm using the Aqua Grip primer because of the final result I want a glowing effect. You trust the Aqua primer to give that glow. You see the glow is living on the skin. And one thing about this primer is that it helps to hold your makeup and it gives a glowing effect to your makeup during and after your makeup. And right after that, going with my Oriflame lip balm, and I will use it in moisturizing the lip of my client, and this will help the lip to feel so alive during the period of wear. It's wrong of you as a makeup artist to skip this session of moisturizing the lip. It's what I'm doing for a skin prep, and I'm going to go straight into the underpainting application. And for the underpainting, I'm starting first with the blush, and the blush I'm using is from the Heart palette, where they have the 2-in-1, the blush and the highlighter. So for the blush, I'm blending it up to the upper part of her eyes. I want that blush effect there. I take it up to close to her forehead and blend properly. I do same for the other side of the face and to have a equal effect. And please, when blending, you have very soft. You go in soft with your beauty blender. I'll be using the remain from the beauty blender to apply to the nose to give a more colorful effect. So for the highlighter, I'm using a Nigeria brand also called the Avour concealer, and this concealer, the reason why I love it is that it gives a fuller coverage. It's easy to blend, so I will advise you to get an Avour concealer for your next work and come testify how it is for you. So for the concealer, I'm just blending it immediately, and I think I made use of more concealer that I would normally use. Being my first time of doing the underpainting, I cannot say for sure if I should continue with this quantity of concealer or I should reduce it. So but I found a way out. I navigated my way. I left the under eyes to do the nose contour, and that was just it. After doing the nose contour, I dive into the under eyes. The reason why I left the under eyes or the nose contour is because I want the eyes to pop more, like the brightness should be sharper than the other highlighted part where we apply the concealer. Now it's time for the foundation application. For the foundation application, I'm going in with the Avour foundation. It's a Nigeria brand also, so I made all use of Nigeria products to achieve the look. And for the foundation, you see the foundation selection. See, please, if you don't know anything in makeup, please try to understand foundation selection, the under tone, the skin tone, to actually have a good foundation selection. So for the setting spray, I went in with the flawless setting spray to bring all what has been applied together. For the powder I'm applying currently, I made use of my big powder first to set the under eyes. I am making use of the Becharm Ageless powder palette, and I just use it to set the under eyes. And the powder shade I'm using from the palette is the one with yellow undertone and the white undertone. I mixed the two together. While for the nose, I'm using an angle nose brush to define the nose by snatching the nose. You can see the effect it gives to the nose. And for the powder shade, I am using an Aqua skin tone to apply all over the face to give more definition to the under eyes. I'm using a mirror setting powder to lift and set the under eyes. For this look, I opted for a soft pink blush from Classic Blush palette, and I love what I got. It gave me a youthful vibe. On this video, I'm not going to have where I did the eyeshadow and the eyebrow to be posted separately, so await it. For the lip, I subtoed for a nude lip, but the nude will be kind of pink. While for the lining, I made use of Adventure Coffee brand to line the lip, to define the lip, and this actually changed the game for me because it gave me what I imagined on my head. Do you get? I'm locking the makeup in this time after everything has been done with my setting spray, and I waited for it to like 80% dried. Then I blended in with my beauty blender, and for this I'm using my beauty blender to give a glow effect using the Msmetics Chic Glaze on the forehead, the cheekbone, and you can see the effect. Like, this is a perfect dupe for Chanel Chic Glaze. Like clock it, girl. It's not like it's a new product, but it's giving what it should give. I think for my finishing spray, I went in with the FBH Cosmetic. You know what it is, girl. So this is the final look. And if you watch this video to the end, don't forget to share this channel. Don't forget to share the video, love the video, comment on the video, and let me know in the comment section, are you trying this underpainting techniques with your clients or with a model, and what are the cosmetics you'll be using?